to at the Quadomain in the Grenoble building, located in Highwood, Florida. This is 1 bedroom, 2 full bathrooms, with, as you can see, a direct view of the ocean. This is an absolutely spectacular view. As you can see, you can watch the waves rolling into the sand. The unit's almost 1,000 square feet. You can see just how spacious it is. Furniture is negotiable. You have diagonal tile floors throughout the unit. What's nice is how you could be sitting here on the sofa, watch TV, and also be able to look out at the ocean. You have an open kitchen with a breakfast bar. The unit itself is totally remodeled. You have granite countertops and backsplashes, updated cabinets, fixtures, stainless steel appliances. Lots of cabinet space. What's nice is how you could be here cooking in the kitchen and be able to talk to your guests or be looking out at the ocean while you're doing your cooking here in the kitchen area. By the way, there's also custom lighting. That's the entryway with a storage closet. And this is one of the few floor plans where you have a 1 bedroom with 2 full bathrooms. You see the bathroom is updated as well. Spa shower. And we move into the master bathroom. Again, it's all updated. And this is where the bathtub is in the master. Walking into the bedroom, you have 2 walk-in closets. That's walk-in closet number 1 and walk-in closet number 2. You can see how big the master bedroom is. Lots of furniture and still have extra space. Big windows. And what's nice is how you could be here at the bed, again, wake up in the morning and be able to look out at the ocean as you're getting out of bed. So if you're interested in this unit, have any questions, or would like to set up an appointment, please contact me.